I recently made over $13,000 using a strategy that hardly anyone knows about, and in today's video, I'm going to break it down for you. I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing. This method doesn't require any money or experience, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. I'll explain how you can create the same kinds of videos you're seeing on your screen right now, which is exactly how my team and I earned over $13,000 last month. These videos are really easy to make and don't need any prior experience. Plus, you don't have to spend any money to start. As you can see, these videos are getting millions of views: 1.4, 1.6, 2.5, 4.5, and even 7 million views. The channel has 1.3 million subscribers, but with short-form content, YouTube doesn't focus much on subscriber numbers. These videos go viral because they're relatable. Let's quickly watch one of these videos so you can see what it's about. The video shows a funny scenario where two kids argue over a candy, and the argument continues as they grow up, get married, and even as they get old, they're still fighting over the candy. It's relatable and funny, which is why people enjoy these videos. You don't need to wait to monetize your channel because, in this video, I'll show you a few ways to start making money even if your channel isn't monetized yet. I'll guide you through the process step by step. So just follow along with me. By the end of this video, you'll have your own money-making setup ready to go. Step 1. I want you to open ChatGPT because we're going to start generating some content. If you don't have ChatGPT on your device yet, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download it easily, either to your phone or computer. The first thing you absolutely need is a template that my team and I created to generate these videos. I've copied my own template and pasted it into ChatGPT. Next, I'll hit enter and let ChatGPT create the storyline for the video we're working on. It's not the same video we watched earlier, but ChatGPT will come up with a new story. For example, it might generate a story where a boy wakes up to find a lump of coal in his stocking instead of toys. His fury reaches a boiling point as he curses Santa with a fiery passion. As you can imagine, this could turn into a wild and funny story, perfect for going viral. Once you've created one story, you can simply ask ChatGPT for a different topic, and it'll generate a new story every time, allowing you to create multiple videos. Step 2. We need to create the images you saw in the video, and you can do this without any design experience or spending any money. Just click the link in the description to open Leonardo AI. This tool is free and easy to use. If you don't have an account, just register and then click on Image Creation once you're logged in. To get the best results, follow these settings. Leave Prompt Enhance. On Auto, set Preset Style to 3D Render and keep Contrast at Medium. Use the Fast Generation mode and set the image dimensions to 1:1. Keep the number of images at 4, so every time you input a prompt, it generates 4 images. As you create the images, follow the script to make sure the visuals match the exaggerated storyline, which helps keep viewers engaged. You don't need to wait for one image to finish before starting the next. Just keep copying the prompts from the script and generating the images in Leonardo AI. After generating the images, pick the most eye-catching ones. Download each one and name them in order, like Image 1, Image 2, and so on, to match the sequence of your story. This helps ensure the images align correctly with the narrative in your video. The goal is to choose the craziest images to maximize engagement and watch time. Once you've saved all the images, you're ready for the next step. Step 3. Now that you've created the images and the script for your video, the next step is to create the voiceover. To do this, click the link in the description, which will take you to an AI voice generation software called 11 Labs. This tool is free, and all you need to do is create a free account with your email and a password. Once you're logged in, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first line of your script and paste it into 11 Labs. Then click Generate Speech. This will create the audio for the first line of your video. In my case, I used a voice called Brian, but you can choose from various voices available in the software. If you like how the voice sounds, click the play button to preview it. Once you're satisfied, download the audio file and save it as Voice 1, so you know which part of the video it belongs to. Repeat this process for each line of your script. In my example, I generated the voiceovers for 6 parts of the video. You'll need to do this for all parts of your video. Remember, don't skip any steps. Create a voiceover for every section of your script. Lastly, If you're interested in making quick and easy money online, I recommend subscribing to this channel. I post 3 videos like this one every week, and subscribing ensures you don't miss out on any content. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. Now, let's move on to step 4. Now that you have your images and voiceovers ready, it's time to create your video canvas. We'll be using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool, for this. Open Canva, click on Videos, and choose Mobile Video, since we're creating vertical short-form content. Start by changing the background color to a grayish tone, or any color you prefer. Next, search for Round Frame in the Elements tab and drag it onto your canvas. Make it smaller and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. On the left-hand side, click on Text and choose Subheading. Drag and drop it next to the image, then set the font size to 40 and change the font to Roboto. Make sure the text is bold. Duplicate this text box to create another one. Now duplicate the first text box. Remove the bold and drag a little bit to the right so it looks like a kind of conversation. Upload any image or logo you want and place it in the round frame. For the text next to the image, label it You for the first one and ChatGPT for the second. You can find the ChatGPT logo on Google and upload it to Canva. Now search for a pencil and place it here. Go back to your script, copy the first line, and paste it into the subheading text box on the canvas. Adjust the text to make it look neat. Now, add the images you generated earlier. Drag the first image onto the Canva and adjust its size as needed. Keep each canvas short, about 2.5 seconds long. To do this, click on the timeline at the bottom, select Edit Timing, and set it to 2.5 seconds. Right-click on the canvas, select Duplicate, and then hover over the middle of the timeline to add a transition. Choose Stack for a smooth swipe-up effect between each canvas. Continue this process for each part of your script and images. Duplicate the canvas, change the image and text, and add transitions until all parts of your video are complete. Once you've added all the elements, preview the video by clicking play to ensure everything looks good. When you're satisfied, click Share at the top, select Download, choose MP4, and download the video to your computer. Now your video is ready to be shared. Step 5. Now it's time to bring everything together using CapCut, a free video editing software. Follow these steps to finalize your video. Open CapCut and click on Create a Project. Once you're in, drag and drop your previously created video from Canva into the timeline. Next, drag and drop the voiceover files you created earlier into CapCut. Align them with the video by placing them in the correct order. Each voiceover should correspond with a specific part of your video. Go to Pixabay, link in the text guide, and search for background music that fits the theme of your video. For example, if your video involves Santa and polar bears, you might search for Christmas music. Listen to a few options, select one you like, and download it. Drag and drop the downloaded music file into CapCut, placing it on a new layer underneath the video and voiceover tracks. Move the playhead to the end of your video and press Ctrl-B to split the music track at that point. Delete the excess music by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. Ensure that each part of the voiceover syncs perfectly with the corresponding part of the video. Adjust the timing if necessary. If the voiceover is slightly longer than the video, you can extend the video by duplicating the last part of the canvas. To do this, select the last part of the video, press Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste, creating an extended version. Select the music track and lower its volume by using the volume control on the left side of the screen. Play the video to check the audio balance between the voiceover and the background music. Adjust the volume as needed until the voiceover is clearly audible over the music. Once everything is in place, preview the video to ensure it looks and sounds good. Make any final adjustments if necessary. When you're satisfied with the final product, click on Export to save the video to your device. Now your video is complete and ready to be shared.
A boy wakes up to find a lump of coal in his stocking instead of toys. He becomes furiously enraged at the thought of Santa's apparent disdain. His fury reaches a boiling point as he curses Santa with a fiery passion. Determined to confront Santa, he books a first-class ticket to the North Pole. He boards a luxury jet, soaring through the sky with a glint of revenge in his eye. After a dramatic, turbulence-filled flight, the plane lands on an icy runway.
Congratulations on creating a high-quality short video that's designed to capture attention and drive views. This kind of engaging content is your key to generating revenue. You can start monetizing through ad revenue by joining programs like the TikTok Creativity Program or the YouTube Partner Program. If you don't yet meet the eligibility criteria for these programs, focus on consistently posting videos to grow your following and engagement, which will eventually qualify you for these opportunities. In addition to ad revenue, affiliate marketing is another effective way to make money from your videos. By including affiliate links in your descriptions or comments, you can earn commissions when viewers make purchases through those links. This strategy can be highly profitable, especially as your audience grows. To further enhance your success, check out the videos on my channel that offer tips on making your content go viral and gaining followers to join TikTok's creativity program. Start implementing these strategies now to maximize your earnings.